Welcome. Follow me as a Honor 400 and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So, to get started, I am going to quickly mention that you can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock that you might have set that you just don't remember. And in any case, to begin, you would hold power button and volume up at the same time, which will bring up your boot options. Now you can click on power off twice and this will turn off your device. I do want to mention though, because I haven't checked, some devices when you try to do this, it will tell you that you need to confirm your screen lock. Assuming you don't know it, you can instead hold power button, volume down till the phone turns off, so just make sure that screen didn't time out, just that the entire phone turns off, not just the screen. And when that happens, you switch to power button and volume up, which is what I'll be holding when the device is off. So, like I said, power button, volume down just kind of resets it, and from there you're following up like as though the device is off, like me. So power button, volume up, and let go of the power button when you see the Honor logo on the screen. Keep holding volume up till the Honor logo disappears. There we go. And this will take us to the recovery mode. And here you want to select clear data and then select factory reset. As a confirmation, you just simply need to type in yes, which is written right here. So yes, there we go. And select factory reset. This will now begin factory resetting your device. All data will be deleted, obviously. And here, don't worry, this looks like it's going to take a while, but it only gets like 20 or 18% and automatically becomes finished. No, this time around we got to 17. So we're going to select the back, restart, and this will now reboot the device and continue resetting it in the background. Now, because it is continuing the process, it will take the device a little bit longer to turn on than you might be usually used to. So give it like about 2 minutes or so to finish up. Once the process is finished, we will be presented with the setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your phone or phone however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.